in anything was once a beginner. When you want to be perfect in anything in the world, then you have to start from the basic things. And you will achieve proficiency when you practice. Hello and welcome back. As you are well aware that we are learning about HTML DOM. In the last lecture, we learned about events and event listeners. In this lecture, we will be learning about a very important concept of DOM, which is navigation. But before that, let us quickly see the agenda. First, we will see the node relationship with example. Then properties to access nodes and root nodes with example. At the end, there is an assignment for you all. So without wasting any more time, let us get started. The DOM allows us to do anything with elements and their contents. But first, we need to reach the corresponding DOM object. We can call that navigating through DOM elements. First, let us see the node relationships. Let us see an example. In a node tree, the top node is called the root or root node. Every node has exactly one parent except the root, which has no parent. A node can have a number of children. Siblings, brothers or sisters are nodes with the same parent. For this example, you can say HTML is the root node. HTML has no parents. HTML is the parent of head and body. Head is the first child of HTML. Body is the last child of HTML. And head has one child. Title. Title has one child, a text node. DOM tutorial. Body has two children, H1 and P. H1 has one child. DOM lesson 1. P has one child. Hello world. H1 and P, they are siblings. So let us see the node properties to navigate between nodes with JavaScript. Parent node. Child nodes. Node number. First child. Last child. Next sibling. Previous sibling. Now we will see how to access child node or node values. Let us see the example of accessing the nodes with the help of InnerHTML property. So without wasting any more time, let us dive into the code. In this example, the value of the next node of H1 node can be accessed by InnerHTML property. We are assigning the text node of the node having ID ID01 to the node having ID ID02. Let us see the output. Brilliant! So the value has been assigned successfully using InnerHTML. Accessing the InnerHTML property is the same as accessing the node value of the first child. The node value property specifies the value of a node. Node value for element nodes is null. Node value for text nodes is the text itself. Node value for attribute nodes is the attribute value. Didn't understand that? Well, don't worry. We will see an example for that. This example is the same as the last one, but instead of using InnerHTML, we are accessing the node value of the first child. That means the text node, my first page. So let us see the output. The output is also going to be the same. We have used node value property over here. Let us see another way to access the nodes. How about we directly jump into the code? So in this example, we are accessing the nodes by using child nodes 0. Here, child nodes read-only property returns a live node list of child nodes of the given element where the first child node is assigned index 0, which would be H1. Now let us see the output. So we got the required output, DOM root nodes. Now we will see how we can access the root nodes of DOM. Well, there are two special properties that allow access to the full document. Document.body, the body of the document. Document.document_element, the full document. Document.body. First, we will see an example of document body. In this example, there are two elements of nodes H2 and P. They are going to display on the screen by default. In the JavaScript code, we are using the property document.body to display the body of the document which has H2 and P nodes. So the output should be displaying H2 and P tags 2 times. Let us check that. Well, the output is absolutely correct. Now let us learn the second property, document.document_element. Let us jump into the code. In this example, we are displaying all the nodes or elements using document.document_element, which are P and H2. Let us see the output. We are getting the right output. So that is it for today, guys. And here is an assignment for you. Create 2 H2 elements and display them using document.body. Document.document_element. So I hope that you thoroughly enjoyed this lecture, and I will meet you all very soon in the next one. Till then, keep practicing and take care of yourself.